As you look at the weather, it's actually following me. If I didn't have to work Saturday, I could have left Saturday morning and I would have been ahead of all of this. And yet, because I had to work Saturday and I woke up Sunday morning and packed and got ready and left, I am in all of it as it moves. So it's beautiful. It really is. But to be honest with you, that's a good thing, because I don't know, what's it really like to live on the road?
Quiet to the east throughout the weekend. Temperatures will stay cold through the northeast. Temperatures in the 30s for daytime highs through parts of New England. On Sunday, rain and snow moves to the south. Texas, you'll be hit with both. So you will be looking at a wild end to your weekend. And Monday, that system moves off to the east along the Gulf, bringing rain through parts of the lower Tennessee Valley, bringing a wintry mix.
Headed to Georgia. I'm going to meet my brother. And that sounds weird, but I'm living with my older brother, whom I've known for 53 years this February. I haven't met Dave, so I'm going to meet Dave. I'm going to meet Dave and his wife, and I'm friends with him and his wife and his daughter on Facebook, and I actually look forward to getting to know them, because family is what family is anyway. But as I travel around, I mean, I can stop in San Antonio, I can stop in Georgia, I can stop in New York. I have a cousin that lives there. There are places where I can actually kind of make a stand for a while, a day or two or three or a week. Who knows? I can become annoying fairly quickly, but I usually try not to be. One thing that I do like, one thing that I definitely look forward to, is being able to wake up in the morning and go wherever I want and do whatever I want. And the only reason that I can do that is because of the life that I have lived so far. I'm blessed. I know that. Well, I know you're not going to be able to hear me as soon as I step away from the car, so I'm kind of hunkered down by the door. But I just wanted to show a quick video. I came by Sabine Pass, and I made the entrance to the historical markers and the historical park, the Battleground Park, at 4:53, and it said that it closed daily at 5 o'clock. Now, I didn't expect that I would be able to spend too much time in there, but I did want to just show that in Texas here on this side, and then of course you've got the Sabine River and Louisiana. And so I'm pretty close to Louisiana, headed into Louisiana on my way to Georgia, and I'd hoped to be able to spend a little bit of time, even if it was a short period, but a little bit of time in the historical battleground. But that's not to be, so maybe another time. Good morning. Last night I slept just west of Mobile. Just found a good spot. Couldn't sleep too early, so I think I made it over there at about 2:30 and crashed for about 4 hours. Headed to Meridian, Mississippi right now. I want to get a little bit of footage of that town and a little bit of the history of it, especially since I crapped out at 78 Pass. So anyway, on the road again. Well, I stopped in Meridian and I'm going to check out the oldest evidence of existence known in Meridian. Wander over here to this cemetery, the Macklemore Cemetery, which according to the information that I see, it is the oldest evidence of the Meridian settlement, and it has the burial plot of Richard Macklemore, who was actually a victim of the 1871 riot and then 1878 yellow fever epidemic. But he is the first settler of the area that became known as Meridian, Mississippi. I wanted to see if I can wander through here. It's definitely an old cemetery. Go ahead and reverse. No, I don't have that option. Okay. Well, I'm assuming that if he's around here, it's going to look something like that. Yeah, 1884. That's him. And it looks like his wife, Louisa, is next to him. Well, that's the cemetery. Not much to it. Been around for quite a while though. It's an old one.